So this is how you can download a list of the people participating on a Zoom call. Go to your Zoom account and head over to Reports. And here you will find 4 different options to get reports of your meetings. Since you are looking for only the participants and not the people that registered for a video call, we are going to click on Usage. And if you have the meeting ID of the call, you can paste it here. I'm going to search only by date. I'm going to select the date, the same day, hit search, and I have all the data from the call I had that day. In order to get the list of participants, I have to click here in the number of participants, and you're going to see this pop-up window where you have all the data from the meeting participants, and you can export this, but you can also include the meeting data, like the date, the duration, and you can tell Zoom that you want to see only the unique users, because sometimes people are getting in and out of the call many times, and the report is going to show all that data. So you can click here, show unique users. You're going to export, and we're going to save. After that, you can head over to, I don't know, Google Drive, OneDrive, if you have Excel, and I'm going to upload this report, and I'm going to open it. I have here a preview of the file, and I'm going to open it with Google Sheets. And there you have it, the list of the people participating on your Zoom call. I hope this video was helpful. See you next time.